Hi, I'm Pam on behalf of Expert Village, and today I'm going to show you different art projects for kids. Now, when you're making your boat, you can use any type of container that you have. Actually, styrofoam containers that you get like for takeout food are the best because you can cut those in half and actually have two different boats. Now, you let your kid decorate their boat any way that they want. Markers, crayons, they can glue on pom-poms if they want. It's up to them. Then you're going to take as many different colors as you can think. And you're going to cut out little fish. Now, you can make your fish as big or as small as you want them. The point is that you want to have tons of colors. What's really great to do this with is actually the colored goldfish, because then after they're done playing with it, they can eat them. But you want to give each child a different color goldfish. This is great for learning and teaching kids their colors. And then they sing their little chant. You have them have all their goldfish, and the chant is, "Fishy, fishy in the sea, jump into my boat for me. Fishy, fishy in the sea, what color fish will you be?" And then you call out the color. They pick out the color fish, which they also want to decorate the fish. They can give him an eye, they can color him, they can paint him, and they put him in their boat. It's a great game for you to play with your kids that's fun and educational. And like I said, if you use the little goldfish, once they've all jumped into the boat, they can eat them as a snack.